Hello, immigration attorney Michael Ibrahim here. Today, I want to talk with you about why many pro-immigrant advocates believe that the laws should be changed. One of the most frustrating things that I encounter is when somebody tells me that my clients should, quote-unquote, do it the right way. I hear things like, they should do it legally, or they should get in line. I also hear, my family did it the right way. The immigration law today is extremely complicated, and its history may surprise you. Today's immigration law went into effect on April 1st, 1997, through what is known as the Illegal Immigration Reform and Immigration Responsibility Act, or IIRAIIRA. IIRAIIRA was passed, among other laws, as a greater initiative in the mid-1990s, with the US government trying to tackle crime and drugs. On April 1st, 1997, the entire immigration landscape changed. Some of the highlighted changes include expanded ability of immigration agents to deport people without a fair hearing, banning certain immigrants from ever returning to the United States, banning certain immigrants from entering the United States from 3, 5, 10, or upwards of 20 years, and getting rid of certain protections from deportation. In my opinion, IIRAIIRA has done more harm than good. The practical impact is that this separates families and prevents many immigrants from ever being able to regularize or fix their status. Furthermore, current wait times for certain visa categories span decades. For instance, certain immigrants filing for residency through their brother or sister are waiting upwards of 40 or more years for a visa to become available. Finally, the United States, which has always been a safe haven for refugees and asylees, is seeing a massive backlog in its immigration court system. So what can we do? Honestly, the most impactful change would be for Congress to pass a new immigration law. But DHS and immigration courts could also pass rules or make policies to make things easier. For example, DHS could implement new applications available to immigrants here in the United States already, and immigration courts could implement a more streamlined removal proceedings process. The goal for potential immigration reform is twofold. First, to keep families of immigrants together, not separated. And second, to make the United States a better nation. Immigrants are an essential part of the United States. Immigrants built America. It's embedded into its fabric. A more favorable immigration law not only helps the immigrant himself, but it also helps the nation. If you or a loved one are seeking representation in an immigration case, contact Ibrahim Law Office for a consultation today.